Hey crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor. So, let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now, as you can see, the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is Crypto Strikers, which is the symbol is mammoth. So what is Crypto Strikers? Crypto Strikers breathing new life into burn into toys. So literally, there's an burn into systems, like here we can see they will burn tokens, which is amazing, and they have a unique features, and they have a we can say that huge utilities and experienced teams, and whatever it is in this video we can look at on it. Anyways, their private sale, which is complete, joint presale complete, they are fair launch, which is now live now, so obviously you can participate in their fair launch. Anyways, when discussing this video, simply just keep watching this video. So in the website, you will get their social links like the Twitter, their Twitter X, this is the Telegram, and their GitHub profile. So obviously you can visit them. Join a revolution where burn tokens find a second life, empowering a community united by mutual sacrifice and the shared vision of our decentralized features. Like here you can see their transaction fees right now in my screen now. Like the initial model before 1.7 billion MC, their buy tax, which is 5%, and the sale tax, which is 8%. And here you can see the percentage, like their 5% tax, how it will be working. And the sale tax, same process, like here you can see, it will like a 4% shareholders and 4% development and marketing. Anyways, their transaction tax, which is 20%, like on sending from wallet to wallet, interacting with project wallet is excluded from fees, which is the 20% shareholders. They have like here equals to the post 1.7 billion market cap. Like this is the buy tax 2%, and their sale tax, which is also 2%. The transaction tax, which is 20%. Anyways, you can see, and you get their mammoth contact address in my website. In their websites, obviously here you can see everything about it. Now, if you look at their list of partners or alliance, like the alliance and partners that makes us stronger. Like their partners, like as you can see, which is like our time digital v.v, see on DEX scanner, pings and DEX from DEX view, and there you can see more about it, like you will get in the website. And obviously there you can see the founder information and a message from the founder, like here we can see, which is absolutely amazing, and you can read it for yourself. Their core team, if you look at their core team, they have an amazing team, like they are very experienced, and they have also a best dev, and here you can see the information about their team, like you can check it out for yourself. Now, their Crypto Strikers ecosystem. If you look at their ecosystem, they have an amazing ecosystem. Like they have DAO voting system, sacrifice DApp, wallet holding NFT, as mammoth holder wallet. Like here we can see everything, like they will launch their holder wallet, NFTs, and many more. So obviously they have something huge, we can say that. The token allocation or the tokenomics, like the total supply, as you can see, private sale, pre-sale, fair launch, their total tokens for liquidity, tax listings, their founders, and many more, here we can see. Literally, what sets Mammoth apart? Not just another token, they distinguish Mammoth from the sea of DeFi tokens. Its unique functionality and its integral role on their ecosystem, and its commitment to long-term stakeholders value. If you look at their token utility, like they have like maximized potential across DeFi landscape, like here we can see. Now, their ecosystem's key components. Literally, as you can see, the ecosystem, like this is the ecosystem's key components, like Mammoth token, also their governance and decision making, revenue claiming dApp, They have also the sacrifice system, NFT mining, and the future projects. If you look at more like getting started introduction and token sacrifice, like what it is, like 50 strikers is a revolutionary DeFi universe designed to break right back into burn tokens, thought innovative solutions, and community empowerment without touching the chart. Your role, like as a participant, you are not just an investor, you are a co-creator of a new financial cosmos, helping to shape the future of decentralized finance. So here is the how it works, like there we can see everything. Anyways, you can check it out for yourself. Like they have huge things, like here we can see about their NFT, their project, their ecosystem, their governance, and whatever, like which is literally huge. And you can read it for yourself. Otherwise, this video is going to be very big, and I don't want it to waste your time, guys. So obviously, please read it from yourself. Now, anyways, here we can see everything about it in their website. Now, let's have a look at their roadmap. If you look at their roadmap, they have huge things coming in the future. Like right now, they are on phase 1 or they are phase 2. We are right now, I think, yeah. We are in phase 2, I think. No, we are in phase 3. Like right now, it's like a pincer fair launch. We are in phase 3 right now. So after their pincer fair launch, they will do their marketing round 3. After that, they will launch their phase 4, like they will work including their phase 4, like their official launch, visibility and listings, protective measures, and marketing round 4. Literally, it's amazing, and here you can see something more about their phase 5, their phase 6, their phase 7, and their phase 8. Like here we can see everything about it. Now, their upcoming project, like innovating every 20 weeks, like 12 weeks, sorry to say, but it's innovating every 12 weeks. Project X to be announced, Project Y to be announced, Project Z to be announced. It's an example, alright? Hope you guys understand about it. Now, at the last, you will get their social links, like the software platform like X, Telegram. This is the Reddit and their Discord. And obviously, you can see everything about from their website. Now, if you look at their audit report, they are audited by Karthik, and their security score, which is not available right now. So obviously, you can check it out for yourself. And if you look at their audit, which is one right now, only one available. Anyways, you can see everything about it in their Karthik. And if you look at their finance, it is already live on Pinsel. Like you guys already can see in my screen now, and the person will ends after 1 day, 14 hours, like as you can see the countdown. They have audit and KYC report, and they are doing huge marketing, like they are promoting their partners, like promoting this project with like promoting on Bloom James, like lots of big influencers are partnering with them. So you can say that they are doing huge marketing. And if you look at their soft cap, or I think this is the soft cap, yeah, which is 15 Ethereum, I think it will be filled because they are doing huge marketing, and the total contributions, which is only 30. And if you look at, like they are already raised 5.73 Ethereum. Literally, it's a huge. And if you look at the listing on at the liquid lockup time, like literally, it's amazing. I think it's for 20 years or 30 years days. Like literally, I don't know what is it like, but it's literally huge. And it can be like it looks like a meme coin, but they have a huge utilities, like as you can see. Anyways, you can see the total lockup time and whatever. You can see everything information about on their basic information. Anyways, now let's check it out their X profile. So if you look at their X profile, they are doing that. They are done their private sale, they are done their pieces, but they are not achieved their followers. Right now they have only 155 followers only. I don't know why, but anyways, the team is active and they are promoting this project perfectly. So I'm very bullish in this project, and I am expecting like 2x to 5x profit from this project. So that's it about 50 strikers. I know that is much, but anyways, thanks for giving me your valuable times if you watching this video till the end. And yeah, so that's it about this project. For more info, you can join the Telegram or their Discord community. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.